Ross, one of our coaching friends on the carnivore, is 15 kilograms down. Ross, congratulations. I'm very proud of you. And Ross responds so effectively on the carnivore coaching. I'm very proud of you, Ross. So we've got mindset boot camps, and we've got mindset number 31, the B part, that is Thursday, 10 o'clock. I'm looking forward to that. We did the prostate boot camp last night, and Ross was there. So I appreciate you, Ross. And then that will repeat Wednesday, 10 o'clock. So Carnivore Ketovore Coaching, you get recipes. I've sent out 4 recipes already this morning. I normally send 3 recipes per day. And you can also have access to the carnivore and ketovore recipes if you do coaching with me, which is on WhatsApp video call, but the boot camps are on Google Meet, where you can meet people like Ross. WhatsApp me. My number is in the bio.